Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer money from Chime credit card builder to checking account. So guys, the first step, open your app Chime, and from here click this move money. As you can see here, click the money button from home screen and from your screen, and after that click transfer funds, and after that guys, what you have to do, you make sure to choose this option, checking account to credit builder, and after that guys, click amount you want to choose, and after that click double check your from checking account to credit builder, and click instantly. This option you can be instantly, and just confirm your transfer and confirm transfer, or you can select them of money from the web and go to decide from to and enter your amount and confirm this option. Just follow the steps guys. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. Thanks again for watching.